everyone, it's Thestral from TENAI Workshop and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm a sculptor and a model maker, so I make stuff related to movies, games and cartoons every week. So make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my content. So today I'm going to show you how to make a wand from the Harry Potter. It's none other than the Thestral wand from the new Harry Potter wand collection by Warner Brothers. So let me show you how I made this wand. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I drew the basic shape of the wand in a piece of paper. This is approximately 14 inches long. So you can always refer to some photographs that you can find them online. And then I'm going to draw that same basic shape of the wand on this piece of wood. So I'm just drawing the stick of the wand. I'm not going to draw the body of the Thestral. And now I'm highlighting the outline with a marker pen, and then I'm going to cut it out using my jigsaw. And this is how it looks once it's cut out of the wood. And now I'm going to grind it using the bench grinder until I get that perfect rounded shape. And it looks perfect now, and you can see that the natural wooden texture already exists on the wand, so I'm not going to sculpt the texture, so that makes the lower part of the wand complete. And now I'm going to start sculpting the body of the Thestral. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the basic shape of the Thestral's body. So I sculpted it out of air dry clay, and I'm referring to my drawing to make sure that the proportions and sizes are right. Alright, and the basic shape of the Thestral is ready, and now I'm going to start sculpting the head. So I'm adding some clay to the head. And then using my dotting tool, I'm going to start sculpting the details of the head. So I'm referring to some of the photographs that I found online. It's the side views, the front view, and different views from different sides, so that I can get a proper idea of the detailing and how the textures are added. And I'm mainly using my dotting tools to sculpt all the details. And the head is almost complete, and now I'm moving on to the neck area. And now the top part of the Thestral's body is complete, and now I'm moving on to the bottom part of Thestral's body. I added some clay to the body, and now I am carving the ribs of the Thestral. So as you can see, I'm just pulling the tool into the clay to carve out those lines, and then I'm using a bit of water with a brush to smoothen the edges. and this is the area where the Thestral's body connects to the wand. So I'm adding the wooden texture of the wood to this area. And now I'm adding a snake of clay to make the wing of the Thestral, and I'm using my dotting tools to merge the snake of clay into the body. So I made a very thin layer of clay and I wrapped it around the wing to make it look like the wing of the Thestral. And I'm using a little bit of water again to define the edges, and that's it. So the sculpting part is complete, and now I'm moving into the paint job. So I'm going to color the whole one in grey with a little bit of brown mixed. And then I'm giving a light brown wash to the whole one to make it look more realistic and natural, like it's made out of wood. And the final touch is to paint the eye. And that's it. And the Thestral wand is now complete. And that's a wrap. So now you know how you can make your own Thestral wand from scratch. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and being here as always. I'm hoping to see you all on next week with another new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my new videos. I'll see you all next week. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.